Hey guys, welcome to CRNT Designers, Chetan here. This is the hard surface topology part 4. So before moving toward the tutorial, if you didn't subscribe our YouTube channel then please subscribe it, and now let's get started. We will make triangle boolean on cube. So add a cube and go to the edit mode and add 4 loop cuts like this, and then add one more loop cut and 2 loop cuts one more. So then select the words and right click and convert the part connect the vertex path. You can go to the vertex and you can get that option. Create a triangle shape like this and then add 2 loop cuts and try to maintain the chord based mesh geometry, chord based topology. Okay, then add a supporting loop cuts to maintain the shape of the cube. Modifier, so that's why you need to add loop cuts. Then add loop cuts around your triangle, so we will get the better triangular shape. And then just move these words to tighten those edges. You can see one loop cut goes all around our object, so that's why this kind of topology is important. Then use the symmetrize option, so you will get the symmetry to the another side, and you can see we have maintained the chord based topology here. Then add a subdivision surface modifier and just increase its level and then shade smooth it. Then you can drag these loop cuts and add more supporting loop cuts. Because we make this kind of object for the production work, that's why we need a good topology and shade smooth edges. Then select these faces and then extrude inside these faces, and then insert, give the proper thickness amount for the insert operation. Then you can add few more loop cuts. Okay, you can see it's look pretty good. Then you need to add few more loop cuts to tighten these edges. The triangle pointed shape of the triangle, anchor point you can say. Just drag these edges, double tap G for that, and you can see it's look pretty well decent. We have created the triangle boolean on the cube. If it's necessary, then add supportive loop cut, supportive edges. And just try to maintain the good topology in your model. Thanks for watching. If you like this tutorial then hit that like button and subscribe my YouTube channel. Bye bye, see you in the next video. Take care.